Okay, here's the pile after one turning. I think it's been just a week and a half. So you can see there's still a lot of this stems and branches material, but a lot of it's starting to really break down. If I dug a hole in the middle and I can see the steam rising up out, the temperatures in here, it's at least 100 degrees now, so that tells me that this pile needs to be turned again to oxygenate, and maybe while I'm turning it I'll spray it down with some water. But this material is really breaking down. This is some good organic material, and this is only after a week and a half. There's the pile, one turning. So I'll turn it for a couple more months throughout the winter, and then it'll be good for the spring.